Create a perfect digital twin with HeyGen updated 2026. Hey everyone and welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a perfect digital twin using HeyGen in 2026. If you've seen AI avatars that look and sound exactly like real people, then that is what we're going to build today. This is perfect for content creators, business owners, or anyone who wants to scale video content without constantly being on camera. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to create your own digital twin, generate videos, and make it look realistic and professional. So let's get started. And before we jump in, let's understand what a digital twin actually is. Now, from the name, we can just tell that a digital twin is just an AI-generated version of you that can speak like you, look like you, and deliver content on your behalf. Now, instead of recording videos every time, your AI avatar can do it for you. Now, this is a huge advantage if you want to create content faster or just stay consistent. Now, first go over to HeyGen and simply log in or sign up to your account. And once you're in, you will see options like create avatar or just generate a video from a prompt, translate videos, start with a template, or create your AI avatar. Now we're going to focus on creating your digital twin from scratch. Now to create a realistic digital twin, you need to record yourself first. So we're simply going to go over with Agent, or you can also go over with Avatar. Now Agent is going to guide you through this entire process, so just make sure that you're in a good lighting, background is clean, camera is stable, and you speak clearly. Now simply go over to the avatars feature from your main dashboard on the left. And once you're in here, you can simply even start from, and you can also go in with the avatar shots, where you're basically going to record different shots from the avatars you've already built in. Now to do this, simply go over to new video, and you're going to see the option to create a new video right instantly below it. And just like that, you can simply attach an image here, or you can record your voice. Just make sure that everything is perfect, and the better your input, the better your digital twin will look. And then you can also type in a script, or you can simply just create a proper avatar. Now to do this, simply go over to your avatars and then go over to avatar and then clone a real person. Now that way we're going to exactly twin the entire person with the voice and with the image. So now let's go ahead and train our AI avatar. Now once your recording is uploaded, then HeyGen is going to process it along. And this step is going to create your digital twin by simply analyzing facial expressions, lip movements, and voice patterns. HeyGen usually guides you along with this step, and it may take some time, but once it's done, your avatar will be completely ready to use. Simply record a video, you can do it on the spot, or just simply upload a simple sample recording. Now to make sure that your digital twin or clone is perfect, you need voice cloning. You can upload voice samples recorded directly, and to do that, it is pretty simple as well. You can simply go over to avatars, you can click on create new avatar, and once that is done, simply upload or clone your voice. Now just make sure that your voice is clear. Now you can upload voice samples or record directly as well. You can either just simply go ahead and use the voice from the footage or the video that you recorded, and if you're recording directly, just make sure that your voice is clear, there is no background noise, and it's in a natural tone with lots of expressions even throughout your voice. This allows your avatar to speak exactly like you. And now comes the exciting part. You can simply go on new video or create video and select your digital twin avatar along with it. So that way you're not just generating a proper avatar or a video using an avatar that was generated by AI, you're using your twin. And then you can paste your script in the text box below, and once that is done, HeyGen will generate a video where your avatar speaks your script. No camera, no recording, and everything is AI generated. And that way you can also customize your backgrounds, text overlays, camera framing, style, and tone. This helps you match your content along with what you're dealing, and this helps you stay consistent to your brand. Now, to make your digital twin look more realistic, just make sure that you're using natural scripts and just avoid robotic language. Make it look natural. You don't have to use too fancy words. Keeping everything natural is what is going to give you consistent results. You can also add in pauses and punctuation Keep your sentences conversational so they don't sound artificial. Some small tweaks can make a big difference, just keep that in mind, especially if you're a beginner. Now, once your video is ready, you can export it in high quality. You can use it for YouTube videos, Instagram Reels, or you can also go along with business presentations and marketing content. This allows you to scale your content creation without recording every single time. Now, here are some pro tips for the best results. The first is to record your training video in high quality, and then you can use consistent lighting and background along with it. So there aren't any defaults or there is no artificial looking videos with your script. You can also write scripts like you speak in real life to make it sound more natural and realistic. And then you can test different versions to improve the realism. Now, some common mistakes that you need to avoid when writing scripts and just generating your clone. A lot of beginners do this, so it's best you avoid it. The first is using poor quality recordings. Once you're recording, just make sure that your video is actually great with proper camera settings and just follow the tips that HeyGen already provides you with. Another is writing robotic scripts. Also, don't rush in the training process. Quality is what's going to matter, so you're going to get disappointed quickly if you don't follow up with the guide. You can also use digital twins for faceless YouTube channels or just online courses if you're teaching people, marketing videos, or just professional branding. This is how creators are scaling content in 2026, so don't stay behind and start with HeyGen today. And creating a digital twin with HeyGen is one of the most powerful ways to produce content today. It saves you a lot of time, increases consistency, and allows you to create videos at scale. And once everything is set up, you can generate the best quality videos, which increases consistency and allows you to create videos at scale. And then that way your AI avatar becomes a long-term asset. Before we officially wrap up this tutorial, I want to share a few extra tips to help you get the most out of what you just learned. First, don't just watch, practice. Open the tool, try the steps we went over, experiment with the settings, and see how things work for yourself. The more you experiment, the more confident you'll get, and the faster you'll improve as well. If you run into any questions, challenges, or errors while following along, drop a comment down below. Even if it's something small, asking questions is the fastest way to learn and master new skills. Also, if you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss future step-by-step guides like this. I post new tutorials regularly, and subscribing helps you stay up to date with the latest tools, tips, and tricks. Finally, also think about how you can use what you learned today in your own projects, work, or business. Apply these steps creatively and see what unique results you can achieve. Thank you so much for watching, and I really hope this tutorial helped you. Remember to comment your questions or ideas, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video.